As robots and artificial intelligence get closer, they bring amazing advances but also raise ethical questions. From changing industries to worries about job loss, their impact runs deep. Join us on a journey through the land of AI as we explore how they affect society and our future. The role of artificial intelligence. The development of humanoid robots is closely tied to the advancements in artificial intelligence. The integration of AI technologies enables robots to engage in sophisticated interactions, learn from previous experiences, and showcase a range of human-like capabilities. However, this progress also raises important ethical considerations regarding the boundaries between human and artificial intelligence. The ongoing discussions surrounding the role of AI emphasize the need for responsible development and establishment of ethical guidelines. The impact on employment. The rise of humanoid robots and AI technologies prompts concerns about the potential impact on employment. While these robots aim to assist and complement human workers, there is a growing likelihood that certain routine tasks could be automated, leading to job displacement in certain industries. As the capabilities of humanoid robots expand, it is crucial to address the potential consequences and ensure a smooth transition in the workforce. Ethical considerations and the future of AI. With development in humanoid robots comes the need to address ethical considerations, questions regarding the rights and responsibilities of AI entities, the potential for AI to outperform humans in various fields, and the impact on privacy and security arise. It is imperative to navigate these challenges thoughtfully and establish guidelines and regulation to ensure that AI development aligns with ethical principles.